Hi guys, and welcome to this exciting tutorial where I'll be showing you how it's made. I would love to give credit to the designer who made this dress. So let's move on and give this video a thumbs up. So let's talk about the fabric used. The fabric that was used is a lightweight fabric, chiffon or organza. And then to make the shape of the structure, you have to make a full circle without cutting the center radius. So just allow the circle to be as big as possible. Make it as big as you can, because at the center the circle will have to be snatched a bit. As you can see, there are some form of ruffles at the center of the circle, so make it as big as possible so that you can make those beautiful ruffles. Then in the hemline of the circle, you're going to insert your copper wire to give it a beautiful structure, as you can see. Then finally you can do a bit of beading, you can put with glue, or you can do some lace applique on it, however you desire. Thank you so much guys for coming through, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you found it useful.